In this video, I'll show you how to sell Lovable website step by step. First, open your browser and go to Lovable. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, open the project you want to sell. Now look for the GitHub icon in the top right corner of the project interface and click on it. Select Connect GitHub. If this is your first time, you'll be asked to authorize Lovable to access your GitHub account. Follow the prompts and select the account where you want the code to be stored. If you see a prompt that says Transfer Anyway, go ahead and click it. This will push your project code to GitHub. Once the transfer is complete, click View on GitHub to confirm everything looks correct. Inside GitHub, click the green Code button and select Download Zip. This gives you a clean copy of all your project files ready to deliver to a client. Now you are ready to sell. Package the zip file along with a simple README document that explains how to install and run the site. Outline what is included, clarify the licensing terms, and set clear expectations on support and revisions so your buyer knows exactly what they are getting. Alternatively, you can host the site yourself and sell access to it. Deploy the project to a hosting platform, set up a custom domain, and offer ongoing maintenance as a subscription or a flat fee. To attract clients, showcase before and after examples of your work, highlight real results like improved speed or design, and offer clear packages with timelines. Ask satisfied clients for testimonials and keep your communication simple and professional. That is how you do it.